Amazing!
Kaya na, kaya!
We're here finally!
Grabe,
Feels like it.
Diri, kapon sa ka? Lunchtime sa lunchtime. Panggutom. Thank you day Amboy Baboy for the paksiw. Gilutuan jud paksiw.
Yeah.
Salamat kayo. Guys, gutom time again. Kapadayaw ka dito?
Padayaw nga nindot kayo? Kapasa ni?
Bamboo straw. Bamboo straw.
Apa dito?
Thank you, Nay. So, mana tagkaon dito. Tanawa din ninyo. Baso ni? Brother?
O, baso na siya.
Cute kayo na ba? Shot glass?
Mga among para sa kanang
Murag shot glass.
kung may tsokolate.
Sa sikwate?
O, kana siya.
Napo sikwate diri?
Kung mag-order, ma'am.
Okay. So, if mo, actually, they have a package care of the tourism. 4,329, no?
O, 40 ka head.
4,300 per head. You can already go to the cave, the Balay Sagta cave, with already a tourist guide, plus gears, and then, moari po mo sa Bugasok Falls, and naana mo food. Ano sa panay ang food, snacks. Food and snacks. Okay. So, moni ang ilahang
Native,
room.
mga native ang among
Yes,
kuwan, ma'am.
native. So, this is their room. You can stay here overnight. Unlimited heads. Basta 500 per night. And then, muna ilang mga baligya diri ni mga bagul. Ano ni siya?
Kanang mo,
Plato.
Hungot. Hungot na siya, pwede maimnan. Kani ang
Hungot.
kani siya, pwede sudlag sabaw. Kani ang among gamiton ini kuan serve namo sa lang pagkaon.
Butangan lang og saging.
Namo og
Dahon.
dahon.
Dahon saging. And you, unsa kay mong nganay?
Cherry Rimando.
Si Cherry Rimando. Ikaw ang head rin, Nay?
Ako ang president sa amo ang kuan kapunungan.
Co-op, so
Ako ang
co-op
president sa cooperative.
Co-op president. So, naa daw lahi magbantay diri every day in case wala si ma'am. But, you can contact her through the phone number that we'll be sharing in the description box. And, mauni ilang they also sell this, but you need to order.
Order.
You need to pre-order. Kana sila guys, mga baligyan na nila.
So,
Okay.
nakapamihakalo.
And they also make hats made of, ano sa gani ni?
Sa sako.
Made of sack.
Sakta
Okay.
kanang page.
Sako sa feeds.
Oo.
Okay, so, pwede mo tour sa gawas. I-tour mi Nay.
Oh, sige, okay ra.
So, nara mga butong.
Pwede po mag-campaign diri.
Pwede mag-tent.
Unay nag-tent diri last time. Katong baklag, itawag baklag. Kat-kat dalala, laag. Diri sila nagkuan sila, nag-tent sila diri.
Oh my gosh.
Oo.
So, pila may ilabayad if mag-tent sila overnight?
So, kung diri lang siya, ma'am, gawa sa entrance fee na mo, dayon 50 per heads. Dahil nagamit siya sa among cottage o 24 hours. 500 ang cottage hatag ng.
So, ma-free na ang
Ma-free
mag-tent.
na diri kay naa naman sa sulod na CR, na tubig. Kung
Amazing.
maligo dito sa falls, na siya tubig nga ikabanlaw niya ba nga gikan yun sa tubod sa spring.
Oh, presko kayo. Di lang kana guys, tanawa inyong view diri Kana rang naman ang inyong view. Atong tanawon inyong view kung diri mo stay. Ato pa natanawon unya ang dagat. Ay dagat ang tubig. Nagdagat naman ko. That's the view here at the back. Nice kayo. Okay. Mauna siya. Naamoy Facebook page, te?
So kali na ako dihimo dito pero wala pa na ako kuan siya ba.
Pa ma-ready.
Wala pa rin. Kay balo ka kanang lisod ang signal diri ma'am.
Mao lagi.
Lisod ang signal.
So panagsara gyud ma-manage ang
So
page.
mohatag lang ko ni mog Facebook sa akong anak.
Okay.
Kay dito sa mga naman to siya kuan Facebook. Kato lang, okay ra to
Sige.
siya.
O ang number, mahatag na po ka niya.
Oh, mahatag lang ko niya ang number. Pero ikuha na lang ako sa kuan kahamang kay wa ko ka memorize sa akong number, naka-memorize ko pero dili man makontak akong number.
Oo, kaya naka diri
Oh,
no.
nako diri bisan dito sa ibabaw kay dapat touchscreen niya. Dili biya
Mo na, mo suggest jud mo na sa tourism na lang mo agi
Oh, sa tourism.
para mas paspas.
Oo.
Okay, thank you te. Bugasok Falls. So, maunag yun na siya guys, ang actual falls. However,
Dili ka ambak.
dili may kabag sa taas yun siya guys. So, if you're brave enough to jump over the falls, kanang, I think that would be a pretty daring challenge. But for us, I think it would be enough to swim in the shallow parts lang. Because it's very cool, very clear, very clean. Because it's running water. But if you are that daring type of a person, feel free to jump. Welcome to Bugasok Falls in Argao. Woo! So guys, mangat ka ta karon cause dili ta kalayat sa falls. Kay taas jud kayong layatanan. So we need to reroute. So since we can't jump dito sa falls, we need to reroute. And guess what? Pusaka na grabe kayo.
Oh my god.
Like that one. So good luck. Take a look at that beauty. Oh my god! That was high. That's the place, and now we're here. I'm not really sure if I'm going to go down because it's a bit high, but we'll see. But if I have no other option, I can swim there in the shallow part. So let's just try to check how it looks like from this point. Agi mo, ani mo? Laom kayo? Diha. Pila ka feet? Katiniilan si Sir Josh? Ha? Ah, okay.
Pwede na.
Woo!
Yeah! Amazing!
Dali lang! Kaya na, kaya!
We're here finally.
Grabe,
Spill, spill.
Diri, gapon mo ka? Let's clean up so that makaligo na diri na pita. Because I cannot jump that high.
Buwis buhay!
With boy, I think so. In order to swim in this area, you need to rappel using this rope and go back using that rope. So, if you want to take risks and try this out, feel free to come here at Bugaso Falls here in Argao, guys. Come, come, come! Hello everyone, so we already tried out rappelling so that we can swim down the falls, and Suritabay and Emmanuel Arigby are still there. They're trying out some parts of the falls, but then again, I saw how struggling it is to go through what Sir Josh did, so I'll be heading back to where May and Kid are. So look at our view, guys. It's very lovely. So I think this is going to be it for me because I need to still climb back up there, the mountains, so that I can reach that area there at the top of the falls and then go home later on, back to the cottage, back to the van, back to our homes. Thank you so much for coming along with us here in Bugasok Falls. Thank you so much to the municipality of Argao, especially to Sir Jag Lucero Bacalso, the councilor who helped us have access to the Balay sa Agta Cave and to the Bugasok Falls. Thank you so much for supporting our channels and allowing us to promote tourism here in Argao. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on my next vlog, lovies, and please do support my channel by subscribing on this channel. Tap on that subscribe red button below, tap on that notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads, and also please don't forget to like and follow Margaret or Margaret Vlogs in Facebook so that I would reach my goal of 10,000 followers this year, and also 10,000 subscribers hopefully this year as well. So Argawanons, Cebuanos, please do support local vloggers, local YouTubers, and that's going to be me, Margaret, Suritabay TV, My Food Mercado, Extra Ride, and of course our foreign friend na YouTuber sad, who is Emmanuel Princewell Arigby. Thank you so much for coming along with us. Thank you so much as well to Cap Jet and also to our tour guide Rigi for coming along and supporting us and helping us go through this journey here in Balay sa Agta Cave and also Bugasok Falls. Support local, support the tourism of Argao, support the tourism of Cebu, support the Philippines. Thank you so much, guys. Bye! If you don't really like the stress to go down, rappel, to swim in the deep part, you can actually enjoy the pool. Here, it's running, so you can go there, stay here, like what he's doing. This is Kid Rock, by the way. So, you can see, that's already the falls. Katong taas kayo na falls where our tour guide Rigi jumped over. Diha siya nanukad. So, you'll be seeing a lot of interesting na mga scenes and views here at Bugasok Falls. So, don't forget, we also have a vlog at the Balay sa Agta Cave. And we also have videos here featuring the Bugasok Falls. So, thank you so much for supporting us. We hope to see you on our next tour. Bye!
Salamat sa pagkain, mga vloggers.
Balik. 1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.